Have you ever wondered how to create a consistent and creative design? Do you want to know how designers make a space look cohesive and perfect? And what do we do to achieve it? In today's video, I'll show you how to get inspired, organize your ideas, and start the design process by creating mood boards, which will help you organize and visualize your ideas to achieve unique and wonderful spaces. If you're new here, I'm Saira Kuri, architect, interior and lighting designer, founder of D.Signers. As always, guys, if you have any doubts after watching this video, don't forget to leave your questions in a comment below. Also, don't forget to click the like button because it is powerful and important to support this channel and our content. I will appreciate it a lot. Today's video is special. In the previous video, I asked you if you would like a video on making mood boards, and so many people said yes. In this video, I will show you the process I use to create my inspiration boards. It doesn't matter if you are a designer or homeowner. This video will help you a lot when starting the design of your spaces. Stay until the end of the video because I have a gift that I know you will like and will be very useful for this process. Are you ready? Let's get started. What is a mood board? Let's start by understanding what mood boards or inspiration boards are. Mood boards are a starting point in the creative design process. It helps us organize our minds and ideas and visualize our first conception of how a space will feel and communicate with users. It is a mix of images, illustrations, colors, furniture, textures, patterns, reference projects, or anything that inspires you, and that will help you define the vibes and style of your project. The goal is to create a quick visualization of images and keywords to prepare the brain for the project and start thinking creatively. It is a way of inspiring ourselves, knowing our true taste and objective to establish the aesthetic and compositional guidelines that we want for our project. The mood board helps us stay attached to these ideas throughout the design process, whether when choosing the colors of fabrics, furniture style, paint, details, materials, etc. There are several ways to make an inspiration board. You can make a physical board, search for images that inspire you, print and organize them on paper until you have a nice composition. Then paste them to finish your mood board. Or you can do this process digitally using tools like Photoshop or Canva. Do it the way you feel more comfortable. The goal will always be the same. Making a digital mood board is the way I like the most because it is more versatile. I can modify or evolve my ideas whenever I want, and I can present it and share with my clients or send it by email. I usually make my mood boards with Photoshop, but I know it is a complex tool for some of you. That is why I will share another tool that I also use and that I consider very simple, and best of all, it is free. This tool is Canva. Canva is an online graphic design platform that allows us to create any kind of documents easily. You can choose from many templates or create your own layout. I have the Pro plan because it has more templates available. I can save templates for my team to use. It has millions of images available for download, among other services and features that the free plan doesn't have. However, the free plan is still very complete. It allows you to do a lot of things and it is an excellent platform. Let's see how I create my mood boards using Canva. The first thing is to seek inspiration through images. These images can be of nature, the colors of a flower, decorative pieces, furniture, lamps, textures, spaces already created, or any element that serves as an inspiration and represents the mood and vibe you want to achieve in your space. You must choose things that you really like and represent you, or your client's personality if it's the case. These images can be found on Google Images, on Splash, or Pinterest. select and organize the images in a folder on your computer to upload them to Canva. After you have the chosen images, in Canva, determine the paper's dimensions where you will create your mood board. Proceed to load the images that you have already selected and organize them. The distribution of the images can be done as you like, but avoid saturating the sheet with a lot of information. Remember that your mood board must express the ideas correctly so that your brain can visualize the ideas efficiently. I like to make the composition visually harmonious and clear. Leave blank space for the eye to rest. I achieve it by including images with white backgrounds, especially pieces that could be focal elements in our space, to make them stand out in our mood board. Using this technique, our brain will start to visualize it as a statement piece as well. Apart from images, you can include keywords that define the idea of your project, a color palette, and in case it is a mood board to be presented to a client, you can put the required information such as the project's name, date, your logo, or any additional information. Once you finish organizing your design, you can download it in any available format. You already have your mood board to continue with the creative design process. If you don't have the practice to design your mood board layout, you can find templates on Canva that you can use as a starting point to organize your inspiration board. I like to diagram and personalize my mood boards because I like to add my touch as a designer. It allows me to organize it efficiently, expose and visualize my ideas of my projects. Mood boards are used in almost all artistic disciplines, in architecture, interior design, fashion, lighting design, and so on, since the creative process begins with inspiration. In fact, when I make my mood boards for an interior design project, I also do it for the lighting design of the same project. This helps me a lot to explore new ideas, show my clients my design concept, allowing us to be able to take a pleasing starting point for both of us. The mood board will accompany you throughout the entire design process. It will help you make the right decisions from the initial phase to selecting your furniture and decorative details. It is the way to stay focused and attached to our general idea, and of course, mood boards can evolve as our idea does, but it must be done with conscience and sense. So before starting to design a project or a specific area in your own home, first, remember to start the creative process through inspiration. By the way, after seeing this video on how to make mood boards, I recommend that you watch my video of the interior design process step by step. In this video, I explain the whole design process in a general way. I will leave the link up here and in the description box if you want to get more information about the design process. By the way, since you stayed until the end, the gift I have for you is this template that I have made in Canva. You can use it for your personal mood boards or professional projects. I will leave you the link in the description box below. Guys, if you liked this video, please click like to support this channel and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and remember to follow me on my personal Instagram, where I share tips and valuable information on interior design, architecture, and lighting design. Have a beautiful week. See you in the next one.